Hey everyone, welcome to Qaseem's Kitchen. Another episode where I make some lovely food. And today we're going to be making some white chicken, right? So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. And the best thing about white chicken is that it's very tasty and very quick at the same time. Right, so we're going to be using some coriander, finely chopped. I've prepared the ingredients. Some butter, this is almost 2.5 tablespoons heaped. Salt, white pepper. Here's a paste of 3 items. Green chilies, onions, and some garlic, right? Some cream to add into the chicken, and then of course definitely the main ingredient, the chicken. So what I've done here with the chicken is that I have deboned it, right? And these are pieces, thighs that I have deboned. You can also use the boneless breast pieces, and you cut them into small, irregular little strips or pieces, whichever you prefer. Now here what I've done is, one of the reasons I use thighs is that one, it doesn't have, it tastes better, right? And then what I also do is use the bones within the cooking, right? So I will use the bones. I haven't taken away all the meat. There is some meat there. Bones do add additional flavor to whatever you're making, right? So that's why I'm going to be using these. But I will not serve these once the white chicken is ready. I will take these bones out and throw them away, and I'll keep the rest of it for the serving. All right, so let's start. Okay, the fire is lit up. We're gonna start with some butter into the pan and let it melt. Of course, it's gonna take a minute or two because the pan is cold. Cutting them into small pieces, of course, definitely helps to get it melted quicker. Right, so the butter is melted. Next, I'm gonna add the paste that I've made. So there's about medium to large onions, 2 of them in here, a couple of green chili, right? And of course that's according to your taste. I'm sure you're not gonna match the amount of chili I put in it today, but yeah, you need to know how spicy your chili is, and then based on that you just add it in. And then of course some garlic, right? So, and that would be about 7 to 8 pieces, and you let this cook for a while. So as you can see, it's starting to change color. And also it smells a little bit cooked, right? It's been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to add now the chicken into the mix. So I'm mixing it up really nice so that your sauce covers the chicken all the way. Okay, and then at this stage I'm going to be lowering the flame to about half. So far it's been cooking on full flame, right? And I will also add salt. So the quantity of the chicken today is about 850 grams. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon but it won't be heaped, right? I usually use 1 heaped teaspoon for a kg of meat, and I will also add some white pepper. Okay, this is let's say almost about half a teaspoon. Mix it up again, and then I will leave it to cook. Okie dokie, it's been cooking for about 15-20 odd minutes. And of course I've been checking to make sure that it's cooked. Next, what I'm going to do is add the coriander. And mix it up nicely. And then of course I'm gonna add the cream. This is about 250 ml of cream. Okay, when you add the cream, and of course it's going to impact the amount of salt in there. It's going to absorb some of the salt as well. So you might have to readjust that at the end, right? Most probably anywhere between 1/4 to half a teaspoon additional into this. There we go. It's nicely mixed. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is kill the flame and cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes, right? You do not cook it a lot after you've added the cream, because if you do, then it's gonna become oily, right? All right, cool. So I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll take another look and do the serving. Okay, let's take a look. All right, looks lovely, all ready to be served. Our cream chicken. Oh yeah, make sure you don't serve the bones, because those are going in the bin. And of course you know what's going to happen after I get this dished out, right? Take a wild guess. You got it. I'm going to taste it and let you know how it turned out. So there we go, and all I'm going to do now is to add the coriander. So that we can serve it. But just before I serve it, I need to tell you how it is. So let's have a go. It smells so nice, but I'm sure you can't smell it, but at least you'll see the expression on my face. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Alright guys, I hope you liked what you saw. Cream chicken. Very nice, very easy to make. It can be served with boiled rice or bread, whatever, however you like it. All right, this is your host, Qaseem, signing out from Qaseem's Kitchen. Bye-bye.